Welcome to Bike Lane. Today, we explore one of the most advanced and mysterious aircraft in the world, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, a machine designed to dominate the skies with unmatched stealth and power. Design and stealth technology. The B-2 Spirit's unique flying wing design makes it almost invisible to radar. Its radar-absorbent materials and minimal heat signature allow it to penetrate the most sophisticated air defenses undetected. This design is the reason it remains a cornerstone of U.S. air superiority. Performance and range. Powered by 4 General Electric F-118 jet engines, the B-2 can fly over 6,000 miles without refueling. With aerial refueling, its range becomes virtually limitless, enabling it to strike anywhere on the globe. Despite its size, the bomber is highly maneuverable and operates at subsonic speeds. Weapons and capabilities. The B-2 Spirit can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, with a payload capacity of up to 40,000 pounds. Its precision-guided munitions and strategic strike abilities make it one of the most lethal aircraft ever built. Legacy and cost. Each B-2 costs over $2 billion, making it one of the most expensive aircraft in history. However, its effectiveness in missions like Kosovo, Iraq, and Afghanistan has proven its worth as a game-changing weapon in modern warfare. Conclusion. The B-2 Spirit is not just an aircraft, it's a symbol of cutting-edge technology, stealth dominance, and unmatched power. Its legacy continues to shape the future of aerial warfare, ensuring that it remains one of the most iconic bombers ever built. That's all for today's review of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Lane for more motorcycle updates, reviews, and comparisons. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.